What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Jesse W. And today we got a very important little message here from Robinhood. That's right, 2 episodes, 1 day. Check it out. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right on into this. And as we do, smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Now, we all know over the last week and a half or so, brokers have just been cutthroat. You know, oh, you're going to offer 0% commissions. I mean, $0 commissions. So are we. And we have TD Ameritrade, Schwab, E-Trade. I don't know if Fidelity is doing it yet. And if they aren't, they're lacking. And they're lagging way behind. Who's in charge of this over there, Fidelity? If you guys haven't done it already, I think somebody's about to get fired. I'm just saying. Well, Robinhood, you all know, and I know, we're the leader in this. They started their app, no charge, totally free trading, and then everybody else started to do it. Well, then Robinhood was like, well, damn, now everyone's doing it. What are we going to do so that we can keep our customers? And so that we can get new customers coming in. You know, how are we going to do this? Well, Robinhood's been cutting edge. You know, first they started with the free stocks to trade, then free options to trade. Because even everybody else, like TD and E-Trade, while the per trade is still $0 on options, you still have to pay a per contract fee, which in Robinhood you don't. But Robinhood still needed to have a bigger edge. That's not a big enough edge, especially for very active traders. So what did they do? Well, yesterday I got an email from Robinhood, and they're offering what they call a cash management account, not to be confused with a savings account or any sort of checking account, because, well, they can't do that. Cue the last time they tried to do a checking account. If you haven't known about that, make sure to go to Google and type it up, because it was a little blunder on their part. However, this cash management account is fully insured, and you get 2.05% interest. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to minimize myself. We're going to make this smaller, very small, so you can take a look at the screen. Boom. All right. So here we are. This is the Robinhood blog. With this account, you get a debit card. Pretty cool looking right there. You can see that. I might have to throw myself on this waiting list here just to get that debit card. It's kind of cool looking. So what we have going on here is the wait list for the cash management account. That's what it's called. You earn 2.05% interest, which is pretty damn good. Right now I'm getting 2.07% interest, I believe, over at Wealthfront, which is where I have some of my money in. So this is what you're going to get on your uninvested cash. So whatever cash you have settled in that account, you know, that you're not using actively at the moment inside an equity, then it will get used as part of this sweep account, which is what it really is in essence. Okay, so with cash management, we don't charge any foreign transaction fees or maintenance fees, and there are no account minimums. That's really good. That's important. It is FDIC insured, like I mentioned earlier. Your money is insured, so your uninvested cash at these program banks is eligible for FDIC insurance up to $1.25 million or $250,000 per bank, subject to FDIC rules. See, the way this works is every day they send your money into different accounts, different banks. Okay, so there is a list of those banks somewhere around here. Don't see it right now, but they, you know, they do send it to a bunch of different banks, and then at the end of the day they collect that money back. This is what's called sweep accounts. They'll collect all that money back, and when they collect that money back, they collect it with interest, and then you get a piece of that interest. So everyone makes money. Robinhood makes some money, you make some money. So it's not bad at all. And like I said, FDIC insured. That means if Robinhood goes out of business, FDIC steps in and says, oh, okay, so what did you have? You had $10,000 in there? Okay, boom, here's your money. Oh, you had $250,000 in there. Okay, boom, here's your money. And so on and so forth. So that's, you know, FDIC insured. So it's not like it's an investment account where your money can go to zero. That cannot happen here. It's not an investment account. It's just a cash management account with cash that you would probably use to invest while you're there on your Robinhood app anyways. So it's a pretty neat deal. You do get your debit card. It says here customized debit card, and you have access to 75,000 ATMs and more. It says here use your debit card anywhere MasterCard is accepted and spend directly from your brokerage account. Choose from your card designs: green, black, white, and American flag, patriotic. Don't pay fees at more than 75,000 in network ATMs. You can also pay your bills and use Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, or Google Pay. So it's a pretty neat program they have going on. I am definitely going to get on this wait list here so I can nab this, and then maybe we'll do an unboxing of the card. It looks kind of cool. Why not, right? If you want to take advantage of this and start up an account with Robinhood so you can take advantage of this awesome interest rate, then I'm going to put this link in the description section below. If you open up an account with Robinhood with my link, you and I will both get a free stock. So it's a win-win. And then you can put yourself on the waiting list for this cash management account and take advantage of that 2.05% interest. I mean, why not? I mean, if your money's just sitting there and it's gaining you money, I'm sure it's crap that you're not getting that interest rate at BB&T, Bank of America, or any other bank, right? So why not? So let me know what you think about this, type of cash management account. That's what it's called. You can't really call it a savings account, otherwise it won't be insured by FDIC. So let me know what you think of it. Drop it in the comment section below. Will you be putting yourself on this waiting list? Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.